Twice. We got Twice, one shot. Bitch. One shot. Right now I'm live on Twitch. If you haven't realized, I do stream on Twitch almost every day, you know, unless something comes up. But Twice, because every time Twice comes back, it's always a monumental moment, at least for once's. But I feel like it's for the whole K-pop world or the whole music industry. But without further ado, enough talk. Let's get into this. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. Twice, one Spark MV. Who's your bias? Mine's Sana, Jihyo. Actually, a lot of them. Actually, I don't know who's my bias anymore, but I do love Sana. 3, 2, 1. Okay, heels.
You gonna make me act up.
Oh my god, Jihyo. Yes! Sorry. Oh, Naya. Ooh, okay, Mina, I see you in the middle. Ooh, the formation. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, Momo, the Momo fire was fire. Doom, 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 doom. Ooh. Oh wow, that necklace that Nayeon's wearing. So good that it's hurting. Oh, that outfits though, my goodness. Oh, sorry, that was the weirdest pause, but Sana, he stood a bias for sure. Outfits. She is, oh my god. Oh my god, Miss Ma'am always slaying. Let's go. It's the sun. Ooh. Oh, okay, that okay. I like how that popped and just like slowed it down a little bit. Oh, body roll type of music. Cause you naturally like water. Oh yeah, you're natural as water. She's so beautiful. Ooh, yes, Miss Ma'am, take that center. Keep me one with all your energy. Ooh, okay. I don't know, something about Jihyo that gets me like pumped up and hyped up. So she's taking up the part where it goes dum 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 dum. Ooh, my god. That skirt though, it's like bedazzled. It's all shiny. It feels like New Year's. Ooh. Hey. Hurdy. Hurdy. Ooh, okay, vocal. That. The set is really beautiful too. Like right here, this one right here. It's like champagne, like golden champagne. Is that like the color? Oh my god, Mina. Okay. Timeless. Twice are timeless, to be honest. They're such an iconic group. Ooh, the lip. What bridge is this? I feel like I've seen this bridge being filmed on like at least many times. At least I mean bridges do look the same, but this one looks pretty different. Woo, woo, woo. Burning, so burning. Ooh. Oh, interesting. Oh, were they choreographing to the sound of the fireworks? Interesting. Interesting. 13th mini album. My goodness. Honestly, it reminded me of the bridge from Final Fantasy VII. Oh, what? I saw this bridge in BTS's Dynamite Grammy performance. Ah, it is. Okay. So this bridge has been used for sure. Twice officially entered the SNSD Lionheart era. Definitely the golden era. I see. Gives me I Can't Stop Me feels. Nyan is stunning. I'm just reading the chat right now. Beat drop though. Put a comments down below what you guys think. I feel like everybody was just beautiful, like just from the beginning, just from Chaeyoung, with a little spark to my life. One spark, baby, to Nyan with a literally girlfriend POV, literally. Like, oh my god, are we celebrating my birthday early? Oh, she's by herself though. The outfits though. Oh my god. Damn, she hitting those dance moves for real. I love her outfit with the little roses there too. I love it when they do that. They've done that technique where they're all bunched together and kind of make choreography supporting that one person in the middle too. Like I see what Chaeyoung and Nyan at the bottom. This part right here is fire though too. Momo's part right here. That shit go hard. So she did the dance. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Heard it. Heard it. Oh, they're in their someone said that they were in their golden era, right? She is so adorable. This part's really good too. They slow it down. Kind of I like to say the body rolling moment, just to slow it down, just vibe and mood with the instrumentals, the song itself. Just take it. This is a little slow down moment. Adorable. And then in the look by, just smiling. Oh my god. Oh my god, if that happened to me while just walking by, I see her and she just smiles at me. Oh, dead. Ooh. Ooh. Sounds fire. God, she looks so good. What the hell? Heard it. The little womp 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 in the background too, like a retro. It almost sounds like the Skype call. Do you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that part. It's similar. It literally triggered that though, that memory. Anyways. That's such a random thought of mine. Ooh. This slowdown too is really. Ooh, Mina too. Mina's so beautiful. Let's go, Sana. Like a magical glitter. Boom, 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 boom. Aww. It's like the memories in that. She has dope English lyrics, iconic English lyrics. Ooh. So. They use a Was that a filter on Nyan's voice? Everybody clap it up. It could be an auto-tune. Maybe. That's what I'm thinking too. A little bit of auto-tune. Junghyun's giving doe eyes in a song. She is though. Real talk. Real talk. For the YouTube channel, put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy JRE. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Link in the description to the official music video. Go check it out. Join the Discord if you haven't already. Link in the description. I have a Patreon out as well. Link in the description. It is free. Like, let's say this video is blocked, I'll probably upload it over there for everybody else to watch because, bro, why not? All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X, so that joint is old school.